This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to create flyers. First, access Canva's user-friendly platform, either through their website or the convenient mobile application. You'll then be presented with a vast array of design possibilities. You can choose from thousands of professionally designed flyer templates, offering a quick start for any project. Alternatively, for those who prefer full creative control, simply select a blank canvas and begin building your vision from scratch. It's incredibly intuitive. Now, let's dive into designing your flyer. Canva provides robust tools for customization. You can effortlessly add text boxes and choose from hundreds of unique font styles to convey your message effectively. Personalize your design further by uploading your own images, or explore Canva's extensive stock photo and graphic library. Adjusting colors, sizes, and the precise positioning of every element is straightforward, giving you full command over your flyer's appearance. To make your flyer truly stand out, consider adding various visual elements. Canva offers a rich collection of shapes, lines, and icons that can significantly enhance your design's aesthetic. You can also apply a range of filters and effects to your images, giving them a polished and professional finish. For businesses or personal branding, it's simple to maintain consistency by incorporating specific color palettes and uploading your own logos directly into the design. Once your flyer is perfect, it's time to save and share your creation. Canva allows you to download your finished design in several popular formats, including high-quality PDF, JPG, or PNG files, suitable for various uses. You can also share your flyer directly to popular social media platforms or send it via email with just a few clicks. For physical copies, print your flyer conveniently at home or send it to a professional printing service for a polished result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.